Hi, my name is Ingrid.
And my name is Michelle.
We're with the Essiac Circle of Friends. Today I want to show you how to make Essiac tea 1 quart at a time. This demonstration is to show you how easy it is to make 1 quart of Essiac tea, the ideal amount for one person. The reasons to make Essiac tea a quart at a time is to drink the tea before it goes bad and to avoid the necessity of sterilizing all your equipment. The first step is to make sure you have all the necessary equipment. Avoid using aluminum cookware when making Essiac tea. Stainless steel, glass, enamel, or ceramic cooking utensils are ideal. You will need a pot for boiling water, another pot for simmering the tea, a quart measuring container, a tablespoon measure, a strainer, and a clean quart jar, and of course purified or filtered water. And don't forget to start with a bag of Essiac tea. Next, bring a quart of purified water to a boil. I use about 2 to 4 ounces more due to the tea absorbing some of the water and to make up for evaporation while the tea is simmering. Avoid using city or tap water or bottled water. Some grocery stores have water purifying machines where you can fill up your own water container. This is the best option if you do not own a water filtering device. While the water is coming to a boil, measure 2 tablespoons of Essiac tea and put into the second clean pot. Turn the heat on the burner to medium or slightly lower. Add the boiling water to the second clean pot and place on the burner. You will be cooking the tea at a gentle simmering boil. This means that you should see small bubbles forming on the top of your brewing tea. Then monitor the Essiac tea brewing for approximately 10 minutes. Warning, it is best to stay in the kitchen during this process. Or set a timer on the stove is helpful. Next, then let the tea sit for 8 to 12 hours covered. It is best to either make the tea in the morning or finish the process in the evening, or make the tea prior to retiring for the night and finish the process in the morning. While the tea is being covered, make sure to place it in a room that is 70 degrees or less in temperature. Now we are nearly ready to put the tea in a jar. But first, take your pot of tea and put it on a hot burner for about 3 minutes. But do not boil the tea, just warm it up. When you see steam rising from the tea, remove it from the burner. Then strain the tea into your quart measuring container. If there is any extra, this will be your first cup of tea. Fill up your quart jar and put any amount that does not fit into a cup and pour boiling water over it. Then put the quart jar in the refrigerator. We recommend that you start out slowly, drinking 1 ounce of the concentrated Essiac tea twice a day on an empty stomach. Pour hot water over the concentrate and drink slowly, mixing each mouthful with saliva, swishing in your mouth before swallowing. If your body responds well after 3 days, increase to 2 ounces of the concentrated Essiac tea twice a day for maximum effectiveness. Here's to your health.